du soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.
Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna see how we are gonna create new roles for our Discord server. So last video you have seen that how we can create a new Discord server. So let's get started. So open your Discord app first. So we have the same server that we last created, the server for video. So I'm gonna click on the drop down box and I'm gonna click on server settings. So if you are a new server owner, when you click on roles you will see this. So we're gonna create a basic roles. So you have to click on create role. The new role should be admin. The color should be red. Display roles from display role members separately from online members. Click save changes and let us go to permissions. In here, view channels, manage roles. You have to click all. You have to So guys, we have enabled all the permissions. So let's click save changes. So we have a role called admin. So just escape and we're gonna click on my profile, add new role, admin. So I'm here admin. So the next what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a role for moderator. So go to server settings, roles. Can we duplicate? No, we can't. So I'm gonna create a new role called mod. So for permissions, before permissions we have to customize the color like to maroon. Save changes and the same option we're gonna enable it. Now we are going to permissions, and permissions for mod we can give co-admin all the permissions, or if you want to give a separate permission you can give. So for now I'm giving all the
permissions same as admin, but except all the permissions I'm not gonna give keep in campaign one number and messages all the permissions. Same. So I'm not gonna give administrator.
has been done. So let me save changes and I'm gonna create a new role called bot. I'm gonna make it as blue. I'm gonna enable the same. Save changes. For bot I'm literally gonna give all the permission because it needs all the permissions.
So I gave all the
Permissions to bot. Save changes. So these are the three basic roles we should have. In my server I have so many roles. I go to server settings, roles, president, server moderator and server member, and website writer, server moderator and server member, waiting time for mod, CWS computer system members, subscriber, bot, and all the bots roles. So in here I can also add like role for members. Server roles, create role. I'm gonna create test for video server members. In here I'm gonna give them a color, maybe green. Okay, and I'm gonna display save changes. Then I'm gonna go into permission. Can view channels. No. Can read message history. That's it. Save changes. So we have created these basic roles to give to people. So this is how you can create roles. You can create more roles and more titles, with more colors, with more permissions. So this is how you can create roles. I hope this video will be very helpful for you guys. So if it is helpful for you, share it with your friends and tell them to subscribe to my channel. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell for more videos and live streams. So see you in the next video, guys. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading